My dear little student friend, you know arithmetic is a branch of mathematics that deals with the properties of numbers, ways of combining them through addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Initially, it deals only with the counting numbers, but its definition has broadened to include all real numbers. But you know, friend, a Bharatiya mathematician and astronomer, Brahmagupta, is known as the father of arithmetic. Friend, the laws of arithmetic is today's topic. This is your friend Mo. The most important arithmetic properties are: number one, the commutative laws of addition and multiplication, where A and B are real numbers. Okay. Number two, the associative laws of addition and multiplication. Then number three, distributive laws, which connects addition and multiplication. My dear little student friend, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and please subscribe to the channel to show your support. And friend, now commutative law. When we add or multiply two numbers, then a resultant value remains the same, even if we change the position of the two numbers. Friend, you can say the order in which we add or multiply any two real numbers does not change the result. It is easy to prove the commutative law for addition and multiplication with example. Addition first. 100 plus 400 equal to 400 plus 100 equal to 500. 35 plus 75 equal to 75 plus 35 equal to 110. You know. Another example, minus 3 plus 6 equal to 6 plus minus 3 equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Clear, friend? Now multiplication. 1 into 2 equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. You know. 10 into 11 equal to 11 into 10 equal to 110. Next, 100 into 400 equal to 400 into 100 equal to 40,000. You know. 35 into 75 equal to 75 into 35 equal to 2625. Next example, minus 3 into 6 equal to 6 into minus 3 equal to minus 18. My dear little friend, this law is not applicable for subtraction, because if the first number is a negative and if we change the position, then the sign of the first number will get changed to a positive sign. For example, minus a minus b equal to minus a minus b. Suppose equation number 1. After changing the position of the first and second number, we get b minus minus a equal to b plus a. Equation number 2. Hence, from equation 1 and 2, we can see that, follow the screen. My dear little friend, commutative property for division is given as a divided by b not equal to b divided by a. For example, 6 divided by 3 not equal to 3 divided by 6. 2 not equal to half 1 by 2. You will find that expression on both sides are not equal. So division is not commutative for the given numbers. Okay. My dear little friend, it is important to know, while finding the percentage, mathematically we can say a% of b equal to b% of a. Suppose 10% of 50 equal to 10 by 100 into 50 equal to 5, and 50% of 10 equal to 50 by 100 into 10 equal to 5. Thus, the answer remains the same. Now, associative law. Associative law is applied to the addition and multiplication of three numbers. Friend, as per associative law, if we add or multiply three numbers, then their change in positions or order of numbers or arrangement of numbers does not change the result. This law is also called associative property of addition and multiplication. Friend, now associative laws of addition. If A, B and C are three numbers, then follow the screen. A plus within bracket B plus C equal to within bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Let us prove the law for addition, taking LHS first. Now let us take RHS. Hence, if we compare, we get LHS equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Another example, follow the screen. Taking LHS first, now taking RHS, hence on comparing LHS and RHS are equal. Thus, it is proved. Friend, now multiply. This operation obeys associative law no matter how numbers are clubbed. The final product of the numbers will be equal. If A, B and C are three numbers, then let us prove the associative law for multiplication with the help of, for example, 1 into 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 2 into 3. Friend, follow the screen. Another example, taking LHS first and then taking RHS. Hence, yeah, it is proved. But for other arithmetic operations, subtraction and division, the law is not applied, because there could be a change in result. This is due to change in position of integers. Suppose 5, 8 and 9 are three integers. Let us assume that associative law is applicable to subtraction. Thus, 5 minus 8 minus 9 should be equal to 5 minus 8 minus 9. Okay. On solving both the expression, we get, follow the screen. Clearly, from the both equations, we get that 6 not equal to minus 12. So we can say our assumption is wrong. Clear? Now division. Suppose 27, 9 and 3 are three integers. Let us again assume that associative law is applicable to division. Follow the screen. And friend, clearly from equations number 1 and number 2, we get that 9 not equal to 1. So friend, again our assumption is wrong. The distributive property is easy to remember. There are a number of properties in maths which will help you to simplify not only arithmetical calculations but also the algebraic expressions. Friend, you know algebraic expressions are the idea of expressing numbers using letters or alphabets without specifying their actual values. Friend, in algebra, we can have the distributive property for two arithmetic operations. Number one, distributive property of division, and number two, distributive property of multiplication. Okay. Now, distributive property of division. We can divide large numbers using the distributive property by breaking those numbers into smaller factors. For example, 84 divided by 6. We can write 84 as 60 plus 24 divided by 6. Now, distributing division operation for each factor in the bracket, we get now the distributive property of multiplication. It can be expressed under addition and subtraction. That is, between the numbers inside the bracket will be addition or subtraction. For example, follow the screen. But according to the property, finally, what is distributive law? In maths, the law states that multiplying a group of large 2 or 3 digit numbers will create the same value as those numbers being partitioned, multiplied and added together. For example, this is the same as So friend, the commutative property states the numbers can change position with addition or multiplication. The answer will not change. Okay. The associative property states numbers can be regrouped with addition and multiplication and the answer will not change. And finally, it allows us to break down large, often complex sums into smaller ones, which are easier to understand and find the correct answer according to distributive laws. Stay with me, friend. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.